I'm Harry and I'm a content creator from Treorchy Com, and I'm here to see about what's happening over the 12 days of Christmas.
So these are the pupils from Year 7 to Year 11 from the Complex Learning Needs class. So what we're doing is we are creating Christmas decorations. We're involving them in all the YEPS activities as part of our inclusion agenda, because a lot of these pupils get transported to this school from quite some distance, so they often don't get to take part in the Treorchy YEPS activities, so this is a lovely way of including them.
We are doing a Christmas extravaganza, and it's just basically a load of fun activities we put on for like Year 7 kids, and they can get their tattoos or face paint.
Well, at the moment we are doing charades, either group charades or single charades, it doesn't really matter, of either just Christmas themes or just any type of themes they want to go along with.
We've been in the rhan, and we've been inside the YEPS. We've been taking photos with Santa, not Christmas stuff like the and then he was playing on the PlayStation. So
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. What? This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special.
We feel like it's gone very well. We've had loads of people come here to collect the stuff they need, and I feel like we've targeted a lot of people today as well.
It's like everyone has had a lot of fun in Treorchy Com in the 12 days of Christmas. I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas from the YEPS team and the content creators, and a Happy New Year.